We all love skincare and we all love good quick makeup routine, right? So skin tint are becoming a special part of this skincare with a quick makeup routine. मैंने ना 10 स्किन टिंट मंगाए हैं जो कि इंडियन मार्केट में अवेलेबल हैं, दैट टू एट एन अफोर्डेबल प्राइस. आज की इस वीडियो में आई एम गोना गिव यू अनस्पॉन्सर्ड एंड ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू अबाउट ऑल ऑफ द स्किन टिंट्स, इनकी प्राइसिंग, इनकी क्वांटिटी, किस स्किन टाइप पे चलते हैं एंड आर दे रियली वर्थ इट और नॉट. सब कुछ अनफोल्ड करेंगे इन दिस वीडियो. सो विदाउट अ फर्दर डिले, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Hi everybody, if you're new here, I'm Neha Devgan and I talk about makeup, skincare, lifestyle on this channel based on my 10 years of bridal makeup artist career. There are a few things that I want you to keep in mind. First, these all are unsponsored reviews. Second, I've already shared a detailed video about skin tints. Go to that video if you want to understand more about skin tints, tinted moisturizers and serum foundations, because this video is going to revolve around all of these products. So you need to understand what is the difference between all three of them. If you already have the knowledge about all three of these and what is the difference, we are going to be talking about all of these in this video. मैं बस वही शेयर करूंगी जो मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस रहा है इन प्रोडक्ट्स को लगाने के बाद. And trust me, I have found some gems and some of them were not that great. I only want to save your money, and if this works on your skin, then go ahead and feel free to buy them. Now I have been constantly reminding you that don't get lured into the gimmick of buying a makeup on the basis of skincare. Skincare is a separate part and makeup is a separate part. Don't buy your makeup products on the basis of whatever skincare they are providing. Take your skincare from your skincare products only and look at the makeup from a perspective of additional skincare but not the actual skincare. Now I'm going to show you the application, the consistency, the viscosity of all of these products so you can actually enjoy the video and see how these products are performing on my skin. I've also shown you that how a skin tint changes and performs when you apply a little bit of powder on it as well, which actually is a contradictory question, but I personally believe that you have to powder a skin tint if it is aqua based and if it is a dewy skin tint. In fact, some of the matte skin tints also need powdering if you are applying them for more than 2 hours. Now here are the timestamps on your screen. I have mentioned everything over here. If you have any favorites, feel free to jump onto that section. Now first let's talk about Maybelline Fit Me. It comes in 6 shades in India and it comes with SPF 50. Now let's talk about the packaging first. I like the plastic packaging and it comes with a nozzle. I feel it is easy to take out. There is no wastage and you can literally throw it in your bag and you can go anywhere. Now talking about the blendability, it blends easily. If we talk about the coverage, I personally feel that you can build it up to the medium coverage, but that will happen only in the second application. If we talk about the transferability, it's actually not that transferable on the tissue, but I feel if you have oily skin, you will have to powder it down because it's literally on the creamier side. If you have dry skin, you will have to moisturize a little bit only with a light moisturizer. This is what it looks like with powdering and without powdering. Now let's talk about Lakme Absolute Skin Tint Foundation. It retails for 899 rupees and comes in 6 shades. Now I personally feel that it is a beautiful packaging, comes with a toe-shaped applicator, but it's not a skin tint. It's a dewy highlighter. It actually feels like one, and I also feel that you can pair it up with your normal skin tint and give the dewiness to your face and with your foundations. If you'll apply it alone, it will accentuate your open pores. However, the company says it gives you smooth and blur finish, which cannot happen in case of a dewy product. If you want the blurring effect, you have to apply it with powder or with a primer or with a foundation which can blur your pores. This is what the shade looks like on my skin tone. After powdering it down, I feel it looked way better. It also dries down like a liquid highlighter and does not transfers. I'm telling you, pair it up with your foundation and tints and you're going to love it. Now next I have in hand is Insight Cosmetics Ultra Thin Second Skin Long Wear Foundation. Comes in 14 shades, retails for 240 rupees for 20 ml.
Now I've given 3 out of 5 for packaging. It's a dropper bottle, amazing, but the product doesn't comes out so easily, and the fact that you have to put the dropper bottle wand again and again on your face increases the germ spreadability. Has fragrance. Sensitive skin people, you will have to do patch test. Good things, price point is amazing. It's available in many shades. It's non-transferable, gives you a matte finish which can actually blur out your pores. The powdering gave it extra coverage. These are amazing points about this foundation, but you will have to do a patch test, although it is toxic free.
Have you subscribed to Neha Devgan Diaries? No? So right now is the time. Hit the bell icon and subscribe button, and I shall see you in all of the videos. Bye! Now let's talk about House of Makeup Face Anything Luminous Skin Tint, which is viral for its luminous reasons. Actually, many reasons. Retails for rupees 799 and the quantity is 35 ml. Good part is it comes in 10 shades and water being the first ingredient of this skin tint.
The fact that it has water-like consistency, a bottle like this leads to wastage of a lot of product, and I don't like that. It sometimes drops on your outfits as well. It is transferable. I find it is like a sheer coverage foundation which is dewy, but it transfers, so you will have to powder it down. It also feels little greasy on the skin. I personally feel powdering is really important in this skin tint, especially if you have oily skin or you are stepping out in summer. Otherwise, for winters, it's dewy, it's nice. You will still have to powder down your T-zone and your under eyes.
Well, this one is Nykaa Super Light Serum Infused Skin Tint. Comes in 10 shades. Retails at 899 rupees for 30 ml.
I like the bottle. It's really fancy. Comes in a glass bottle with the pump. It's amazing for everyday use. I'm telling you, oily skin, combination skin, dry skin can wear it. It's non-greasy. For dry skin, I feel you need to moisturize a little bit, but you can still step out of your house without powdering it. It's non-transferable. It has everything that checks out the list of everyday foundation and a skin tint. However, I feel the company hypes the product a little more, but it's a beautiful product.
Kiro Daily Dewy Serum Foundation comes at 950 rupees for 30 ml and it comes in only 4 shades.
Well, one thing you have to understand about this and House of Makeup and several other moisturizing tints is that they are almost foundations. They needs to be powdered down. That's it. The packaging also says it's a foundation. Then keep it in the back of your mind that you have to powder it down. It will work on all skin types. Depending upon the weather, you will have to powder it. You will have to moisturize your skin accordingly. You will have to create balance. There is a rave about this foundation that it transfers, it leaves fingerprints. Yes, it transfers and it leaves fingerprints as well. Now here I'd love to remind you to watch my previous video so that you can understand between all three of these and what the packaging says. It's really important to understand the difference. Then only you will be able to read the labels and will be able to pick the right product for you.
Now let's talk about Smashbox Healthy Halo Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer, and this one is little expensive. This one retails for 3650 rupees for 40 ml. Good part, it also comes in a mini size, but I feel the mini size is little expensive. It also comes in 8 shades.
Well, it is a tinted moisturizer. The more moisturizing a product is, the more dewy it is, and it becomes transferable as well. Look at your normal cream. It is transferable, right? This is what the product is like. It is beautiful. The blendability, the packaging, the coverage is nice. You will have to give it some time to sink it in your skin and then become less transferable. But if you want it to work on your skin throughout the day, then you will have to powder it and it will go throughout the day with a fantastic finish on your face. Absolutely amazing product in the market.
So the next two serum foundations are actually not available in India, but they're absolutely amazing. So if you are traveling abroad or if you're staying abroad and watching this video, you can definitely invest in these ones for all the right reasons. Let me explain you why.
So these are two comparisons actually. Maybelline Super Skin 24-hour tinted serum is like very thin and alcohol based and sets all by itself. Whereas if you're looking for a moisturizing one, invest in the L'Oreal tinted serum and it looks hydrating and beautiful. Both of these are affordable.
Now we are going to be talking about L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour tinted serum foundation, 899 rupees for 30 ml, and it comes in 7 shades.
Well, the packaging becomes totally worth it if the product is coming out of the bottle and the product comes out of this dropper, blends easily, spreads easily on your face. It is very little transferable, but the good part about this is it is something which is needed in India. I'm telling you, it is fantastic for oily skin, for summertime. It is sweat proof. I mean, it won't budge off that easily. For sensitive skin and dry skin, since it is alcohol based, you will have to do patch test. If you powder it, it will increase the staying power of the foundation, and totally worth it, totally worth investing. Try it and you're going to fall in love with it. Fantastic for everyday office wear as well. Beautiful product.
Now this is Rimmel London Kind and Free Moisturizing Skin Tint Foundation. Retails for rupees 790 rupees and comes in 30 ml. But it is beautiful, and in a minute I'm about to tell you how. Unfortunately, I didn't got it in my shade. So I'm gonna apply it on my hand and I'll show you, because otherwise if I'll show you on my face, it's really dark. It's not gonna work, okay? This is a little darker shade. There are only 2 shades available in this one on Nykaa, and it's available on Amazon as well, but generally it goes out of stock super soon. So you need to be looking out for it every now and then, okay? But it is absolutely worth it with the price and the kind of tint it is beautiful. Look at the viscosity, it just flows. It is like my Maybelline skin tint. Look at this. It's absolutely amazing. You don't have to set it. It has a little bit of alcohol fragrance in it and it just sets all by itself. So you don't have to powder it much for good 2 to 3 hours if you're going out. But if you're going out for longer or you want more coverage, then you can powder it. I think I'm gonna be using this one for my bronzing. It will definitely rock it. It's very thin. What a beautiful, beautiful formula. I think in India, if you want a tint like Maybelline skin tint, and L'Oreal is also perfect, the one that I've shown you with the red cap, and this one, these are amazing if you want something which has a little bit more alcohol that sets all by itself, because it's gonna work in almost all weather throughout the year. Even with people who are of dry skin, they can moisturize a little bit more. People who have oily skin, they can moisturize a little bit less, but it's gonna work. It's not that drying, it just sets by itself. Look at this, how beautiful it is, right? And if I'm gonna powder it a little, let's see. It is amazing. I'm telling you, you can definitely invest in this one. In सारे products में you will see I've given you ingredient list on all of the information cards, because जो भी skin tint आपको दिखेगा जिसमें first ingredient aqua होगा, that means वो आपको hydration देगा. Plus with aqua you need to set it a little bit with powder, okay? तो आपको aqua वाले में ध्यान रखना है कि little bit of powder आपको use करना है, whereas जिसमें भी first ingredient आपका isodecane होगा, दैट मीन्स वो अल्कोहल बेस्ड है और थोड़ा बहुत वो अपने आप को खुद ही सेट कर लेगा, थोड़ा मैट होगा एंड आपको बहुत कम या फिर ऑलमोस्ट ना बराबर पाउडर यूज करने की जरूरत है उस पे. यू नीड दिस इंफॉर्मेशन बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अ लॉट इन पिकिंग अप योर स्किन टिंट्स इन द मार्केट. So this was the video about all of the affordable skin tints. If you want to see some of the amazing skin tints but they are in luxury section, comment down below. I'm gonna make a video on that as well. but on the basis of how you like this video, okay? Also, don't forget to check out the description. I've given you my top 5 foundation as a bridal makeup artist, which actually are pure luxury. If you are new into makeup, then you can check out Makeup Basics and anything that you like. There are several playlists that are given in the video. In the end, you will also find the video which is educational on the skin tints. You can check out that video. You will be able to understand this video in a well structured manner. I would love you guys to be a part of my WhatsApp channel so that I can share everything that I am about to review. I shall see you in next one. This is Neha Devgan saying bye bye.